Today in this video we will see what to do if the AirDrop receiving is disabled in your iPhone. If I open the control center and if I tap on this group icon here, and if you see here, AirDrop receiving is turned off, so you can't enable this option. So what you do if it happens like this one, go to settings here, scroll down and go to this option screen time. Go to this option content and privacy restrictions, go to allowed apps, enter the screen time passcode. Then here you see AirDrop is disabled. Enable this option. Once you do it, close this one. Again open the control center, tap and hold on this group icon again. And this time if you see, AirDrop is enabled. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.